All right, so I wanted to show you where we place some of the auxiliary items that come with the head unit itself. We have our nav antenna, which I put right here, which on this model of Mercedes actually fit beautifully in this little cubby, if you will. Fit right there. We put some double-sided sticky to make it nice and firm. I ran it under the headliner here, and we got into the corner, which is where I had actually also run my Bluetooth mic. I recommend kind of running those together because then you'll just have two wires that are then running down the A-pillar. I actually went across here inside the A-pillar and then ran it down this portion here. And we keep going, and then we get down to where it gets into the fuse panel area, which gives you access to get under the steering wheel, which I'll talk about in a second. I also put the Wi-Fi antenna just on this metal piece right here. It is actually pretty sturdy, and I think it's gonna be a nice fitment to kind of continue running your other three wires. So you have your nav, mic, and Wi-Fi coming down between here. And they're actually, on the Mercedes, there is a under panel. Not all cars have this, but there's just simply 1, 2, and 3 screws, pulls down. Was able to run all 3 wires under this portion here, and the cubby into the dash. We ran a pretty long screwdriver, or really any sort of fisher that you might have. Took all 3 of those connections down here, taped them up via some electrical tape just to kind of get all of it in one, and I was able to pull all 3 through the side hole into the dash portion itself here. And that's actually what all 3 of these are, which we've been over. So just want to give you some placement ideas and just kind of how you run and get through the bottom of the steering wheel or your footwell here into the dash here.